justice for Mohbad. We've been on this for a while, and the court, the DPP, did something recently that struck some people hot, while some people felt like this is the right thing. Now, I'm going to take you through the latest on justice for Mohbad and what Mohbad's father is saying. We are going to pick on some things, and of course, we'll be looking at some accusation. Yeah, Mohbad's father is also being accused now after a video surfaced where Mohbad's sister Blessing was seen dropping something that people have concluded to be fetish. Recall that Mohbad's father said that when Mohbad was exhumed, he heard and he got to realize, he saw that two things were dropped: a piece of cloth and a gourd. That gourd could contain fetish objects or elements. Ladies and gentlemen, now, according to Punch newspaper, Mr. Joseph Aloba, the father of the late singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, has filed an application before the Ikeja High Court seeking to quash the legal advice, decision, and recommendation made by the Director of Public Prosecutions in respect of the alleged murder case of Mohbad. Aloba is suing for himself and on behalf of the Aloba family. The respondents in the suit are the Lagos State Attorney General Lawal Pedro San and the Director of Public Prosecution Dr. Babajide Martins. In the suit marked ID dated March 12, 2025 and filed on March 13, 2025, Aloba, through his lawyer, Dr. Wahab Shitu San, is praying the court for an order granting him leave to quash the legal advice, decision, and recommendation made by the Lagos State DPP in respect of the demise case of late singer Ilerioluwa Aloba, aka alias Mohbad. The motion ex parte application was based on three grounds for which the applicant Aloba said it lacked fair hearing under Section 36 of the 1996 Constitution of Nigeria. The other grounds are preemption of the coroner's inquest proceeding by the DPP's legal advice, which has yet to conclude sitting, and vital suspects mentioned and implicated in the coroner proceedings have been allegedly freed by the DPP legal advice. In an 18-paragraph affidavit in support of the motion ex parte, deposed by Mr. Aloba, it stated that the demise of his son, Mohbad, on September 11th, now, I want us to take note of it, on September 11th, was viewed as unnatural and suspicious, which led him to petitioning and demanding an inquest into the cause of the demise of Mohbad. Now, I want us to take note of this. This is where we are going to buttress. So, September 11th is Monday. Now, there have been controversies, argument on which day Mohbad left the world. Which day did Mohbad die? Which day was Mohbad unalived? Which day did Mohbad leave this world? According to Mohbad's mother, from several utterances of hers, we have heard it countless times without number, saying that our son Mohbad passed away on Monday. But in between the repetition of Monday came the disclaimer. She said, it is not Monday. So people started wondering, are you having problems with the day Mohbad died? Like, we don't understand. Are you having problems? Do you have issues? Like, you don't know if it is a Monday or if it is a Tuesday or Wednesday. What is the problem? You said it countless times that Mohbad died on Monday. Why are you having confusion about which day he died? That's one. Now, people also listen to Cynthia, Mohbad's so-called wife, where she spoke at length. She gave us some stories that do not match what the hospital that they said they took him to said. The hospital said this person that was brought to us was brought in as a body. It was brought in as a body. And in fact, it was in the second stage of RIP. That is what the professional who accepted in Mohbad, who allowed him into the hospital said, I mean, they checked and they concluded. Now, when we looked further into it, they said, oh, they did not want to even treat him, but they finally accepted him. But those ones said, no, this person that you brought in is not alive. Was he alive on their way? But due to traffic, according to Cynthia, and maybe the hospital didn't attend to them ASAP, he passed away. Is that what it is? Now, the account of the nurse and Cynthia and some other accounts that we've heard, it's kind of not matching. It's not making sense. And this brought a lot of forensic profiling analysis into it. Now, Sam Larry, Naira Marley, and Prime Boy, these are the three people that the DPP advised, and they have been let loose. According to the DPP, Mohbad is the aggressor and not Prime Boy. And also, the DPP said the two individuals that have been accused, they both are not present in that house when Mohbad died. Neither were they present around when Mohbad died. And there is nothing that links to them directly. If there is indirect, then, of course, evidence must be produced about that one. So, Mohbad's father is now saying, no, the inquest should not be made to appear shallow because you guys are, it's like you are done with your thing. Whatever we want to do is left for us. Who are the two people, individual, that the DPP claim should be prosecuted? The nurse and Spending, who gave the number to his own personal nurse called Feishayo. Now, Monday 11th. Why are we repeating this Monday the 11th? That is because there are talks that Mohbad's father heard from Blessing that Mohbad died on Monday, but he didn't say nothing. He kept quiet. Not until Mohbad's mother called him, and he flowed with what Mohbad's mother said. There are also other people who are of the opinion that he did not know, that he's simply flowing with the talk on social media that appears acceptable to him. And of course, some little detail here and there that he got to know or is aware of. So these are basically what people are saying. Like, you know what? Let us just keep this the way it is. Let's keep it cool. Let's keep it calm. Let us not make too much, about it. Let us just keep it as it is. But with this 18 paragraph affidavit saying, no, you cannot conclude when we have not concluded. I don't know what your thoughts are as regards this one. What do you think is the next stage of it? And like I said, Mohbad's sister dropping an item, an object into the coffin of Mohbad. Like, things are not adding up. Who are the people? Who are the people who join forces together to do mysterious things on Promise Ileroluwa Aloba? These are the questions that begs for an answer. Whatever your thoughts are, please drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section.